Well, as we look back at 2023, one of the major weather stories was the drought expansion across the Midwest. Chief Meteorologist Aaron White looks back at some of the top stories we've had this year.
2023 started out rather typical with snow and cold throughout January and February. One of the more notable snowstorms of the year occurred February 21st through the 23rd, which brought over a foot of snowfall and strong winds, leading to blizzard conditions and treacherous travel. As we moved into the spring, the big talker wasn't our typical weather, but more so space weather, as strong solar flares led to brilliant displays of the northern lights in March and April. On March 23rd, the northern lights were seen vividly overhead in Minnesota and Iowa and reported as far south as Texas. By summertime, lower opportunities for rain led to expansion of drought conditions across the Midwest and into portions of Canada. The dry weather contributed to an increase in wildfires in the United States and Canada, which led to hazy skies and poor air quality in Minnesota and Iowa. This became less of an issue as the summer progressed, but drought conditions continued to expand and worsen in our area through the rest of the summer and into the fall. Severe thunderstorms were not as prevalent in our area, but there were still a few occurrences in which hail and tornadoes were reported. By the fall, the drought continued to worsen, and so did our heat. Record highs were set in September and October as temperatures soared into the 90s. November and December continued to feature record-setting warmth as several new record highs were set, and November 2023 was the second warmest on record, with December topping the list as the warmest December on record. For KIMT News 3, I'm Chief Meteorologist Aaron White.
And while that record-setting warmth is gone, Storm Team 3 continues to track temperatures near to above normal through the extended forecast.